Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this product that I received. Like you can see, I'm already in my PJs, so I think that I received it in the best moment because they are some slippers. You already know what I'm talking about. Okay, they are like this. It's like a snowman. Okay, so I think these ones are perfect for maybe watching a movie or just being in the house. So I think this one, it looks very pretty, like with the nose that it's a carrot. Okay, the eyes and like this part. Okay, this one, it's very beautiful and so soft, and this is inside. And I like also that this part, it's like an anti-derapant, so to prevent some accidents. So I'm going to try it right now that I'm going to go to sleep, and I'm going to show you how it feels. Okay, I already have one slipper put it on my feet, and the first time that I put it, really, it's because you can imagine how comfortable it's this part. Like you can see my fingers like go down because it's really incredible here also. And I like that this part, it's like an elastic, so like you can see it's like bigger, so you're not going to be like moving the feet a lot, because this one, it's going to fit perfect to your feet. Okay guys, this is how it looks. Already put it on. Okay, it looks like this, and really I think they're perfect for sleepers. I like a lot the design they have. Okay, and really it's so comfortable, the sleepers. Really, you're going to love it. I think it looks very pretty, and the size, it's correct. Okay, I asked for number 6 and the size is perfect.